This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, alloy rims, an alarm system, keyless entry, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, internet connectivity, heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.